I guess that you are thinking of Hulk, Bruce Banner. Am I right?
Yes, thumbs up. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am going to show you an awesome Alexa skill by which Alexa will tell whom you are thinking about. So in this skill, Alexa will ask you some basic questions and will try to figure out about which personality from any field, from any place, either real or fictional, it will guess, and 99% of the times that guess will be correct. So this skill is a must-have and I am 100% sure that you will enjoy this skill. So the name of the skill is Akinator. So I'll give you a quick demonstration and then I'll tell you how to install this skill also. So let's test it out. I'm thinking about the big green guy, that is Hulk or Bruce Banner. So I'll quickly unmute Alexa. Alexa, start Akinator.
Welcome back. I can read your mind. Think of a character. I will try to guess it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Is your character from a popular movie?
Yes.
Is your character Indian?
No.
Is your character a female?
No.
Is your character related to Marvel?
Yes.
Does your character have a red suit?
No.
I see. Is your character evil?
No.
Does your character wear a mask?
No.
Does your character have a hammer?
No.
Is your character green colored?
Yes.
Is your character left-handed?
I don't know.
Does your character really exist?
No.
I guess that you are thinking of Hulk, Bruce Banner. Am I right?
Yes. Thumbs up.
Yes, I guessed right. Do you want to play again?
Yes. And now I am thinking about the guy who used to be the richest man, that is Bill Gates.
I can read your mind. Think of a character. I will try to guess it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Is your character related to Marvel?
No.
Is your character a real person?
Yes.
Is your character of Indian origins?
No.
Is your character a girl?
No.
Is your character an actor?
No.
Is your character over 40 years old?
Yes.
Is your character dead?
No.
Is your character the boss of an important company?
Yes.
Huh. Does your character wear glasses?
Yes.
Alright. Is your character associated with Microsoft?
Yes.
I guess that you are thinking of Bill Gates. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, I guessed right. Do you want to play again?
No.
Thanks for playing.
So there you see guys, thumbs up to both the guesses. And Alexa has guessed it right. Or should I say Akinator. So this is a must-have and now I'll show you how to install it. So here is my Galaxy S10 and I'll quickly go to Alexa app there. And here you can see this skill is already there called Akinator, but I'll show you how to install it. So you go to the menu option and go to skills and games. The skill which you have to search for is called as Akinator. 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 So there you see it. And this is the skill Akinator. Just click it. And I've already enabled it. So in case if you have not enabled, here option will come as enable skill, and once you enable it, you just have to say Alexa start Akinator or Alexa open Akinator or Alexa play Akinator, and this awesome skill will be there. So using this skill, you can let Alexa start guessing whom you are thinking about, and it's good for time pass along with your friends. So you can play along with them and spend some quality time. So I hope you would have liked this video, and in case if you are not yet subscribed, consider subscribing because I keep on making these kind of awesome videos. So thumbs up and long live Alexa. If you appreciate my efforts, please hit the like button and give me a visit on the below platforms. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.